Sending message. Switch account after. So for example, if we connect 3 WhatsApp accounts and switch account after one message, that means when we set a campaign in that contact list, after one message, WhatsApp account will be switched to the next account to send message. That means first contact number will receive message from first device, second contact number will receive message from second device, and similarly third one will receive message from third device. After all 3 devices that we have connected, again fourth contact will receive message from first device. So in this way, the cycle of devices will be rotated to send messages. You can change this as a requirement. Parallel message. When this option is off, only one device is sending message at a time, but when this option is on, all devices sending message parallelly. Delay between message. This shows the time taken for sending the next message. For example, if we set this delay between 3 to 5 seconds, so first message will be sent. After 3 to 5 second break, the next message will be sent. That means software will take 3 to 5 seconds to send the next message. Set this interval larger if you attach heavy files or large documents or videos.